Like if I wasn't filming, I would have done this a million times.
Oh yeah, I know.
Ah! Ah! Oh my god.
Yeah, he's got to talk to her, and he's got to talk.
I think that's what it is. I just wasn't talking.
Yeah.
Roll back. Now tip off. Alright, good. No hands. Just kick it. Alright, good. We're good. Manual backwards to full cab. Yeah.
This old train breaks down, so I can take a walk around and see there's no time, you see, 'cause time is just a melody. People in the streets walk as fast as the feet could take them. I just roll through town, and though this window's got a view, but the flame on look at you seems to have no concern for now. So I need this here old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down.
Behind, watch. Behind, watch. Behind. That's the ending.
This engine screams out loud, centipede gonna crawl westbound. I don't even make a sound, 'cause it's gonna sting me to leave this town. People in the streets that never get to meet, these tracks will bend somehow. And I got no time, that I got to get to where I don't need to be. So I need this here old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down.
I said it big. It's like, not even like big. Oh, come on, it's not even big.
I know it's not.
Jeez, man.
It's one that ledge at UV.
It's way smaller. Oh, you bitch. Come here.
No,
Come here, bitch. Alright. Yo, yes it did. It'll hurt. It's called the Amherst Stinger. You'll feel it. Oh, you'll feel it.
Cause all the wisdom's in the trees, not the glass windows.